PLIERS, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful wire lanterns using aluminum wire and faceted glass beads from Bead. And we're painting the glass jars with DecoArt glass paints. I love these paints. This is like jewelry for your home. You're gonna love making them, and they're gonna look great inside or outside. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some wire lanterns. DecoArt glass paints are dishwasher safe once they're baked and cured. Soon after its discovery, the price of aluminum exceeded the price of gold until mass production in the late 19th century. Gauge aluminum wire is soft and easy to bend, but it gets harder after it's hammered. These lanterns are perfect for indoors or outdoors. Just pop in a battery-operated tea light and enjoy the glow. I'm going to leave a link to Bead and DecoArt and everything I used for this project down below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.